nice outside here in Roanoke, but it's not that way everywhere. We still have some severe thunderstorm warnings here at the top of the hour. What we're going to do is show you who is seeing what, and we're going to start by showing you that a severe thunderstorm warning does remain in effect for Amherst County, also for Appomattox County. This warning is in effect until 7:45. Okay, so the severe thunderstorm warning in effect for about the next 45 minutes or so for portions of Amherst, Appomattox, not to mention a couple of portions of Campbell County. This does include Lynchburg, but from the looks of things right now, I think that this should stay just to the north of Lynchburg and just to the north of Campbell County, and this looks to be a more Amherst and Appomattox County storm. But again, the southern tip may clip northern parts of the city of Lynchburg here over the next 15 to 45 minutes, but that's questionable. Okay, right now that is questionable. I think that the storm should more impact southern Amherst and also northern parts of Appomattox County here over the course of the next 30 to 45 minutes or so. Main threats with this cell include heavy rain, thunder and lightning, also 60-mile-per-hour gusts, not to mention quarter-size hail. So again, this is the only warned cell that we have here in our neck of the woods, but we've got more showers and thunderstorms around. First and foremost, this pink area that I'm circling, that is a severe thunderstorm watch that is in effect until 10 p.m. or until canceled, while up toward Charlottesville and Fredericksburg, that's a tornado watch that's in effect for the same time frame for the next 3 hours or so until 10 p.m. So that's a look at the watches. Let's continue and show you here on this journey of the radar who is seeing what. You'll notice that we are seeing a pretty nasty thunderstorm out across portions of Allegheny County. This is really lying along and to the south of Interstate 64. This will also impact areas in and around potentially Paint Bank. May actually stay just to the north of Paint Bank, but it's going to be awfully close. Actually, I think it will probably impact you folks in Paint Bank. Yes, it will. I think this is going to nip you guys in Paint Bank here. If it's not doing so already, we'll do so here within about the next 5 to 10 minutes. This cell also moving to the east at about 20 to 25 miles per hour. We've got more showers out across western parts of Rockbridge County. This is heading eastbound. Yes, it will likely impact you folks in Lexington. Again, it's not severe warned. It's just heavy rain, and it is heading to you in Lexington, I would say, probably within about the next 15 to 30 minutes. As we continue our journey further down to the south, you'll notice that we are also seeing a couple of rogue showers north of Danville. This includes areas just to the south of Chatham, right along Highway 29. Charlotte County has been hit pretty hard over the last 45 to 60 minutes with a lot of severe weather, with thunder, lightning, heavy rain, gusty winds, some hail. Looks like that cell has pushed out of Charlotte County. No longer are you under severe thunderstorm warning in Charlotte County. That cell has shifted further to the east and will soon be impacting the I-85 and I-95 corridor. All right, we're not done. We've got more showers and a couple of embedded thunderstorms extending from Pulaski County into northern parts of Wythe County, south into Grayson County. So areas right now near Mount Rogers seeing some rain, as are folks in and around, say, I-81, kind of in between Wytheville and Rural Retreat. Right now in Wytheville, in Wytheville you might actually just be starting to get a little bit wet, but your rain is actually going to pick up in Wytheville here within about the next 5 to 10 minutes. So again, we've got these popcorn showers and thunderstorms around, the worst of which is in southern parts of Amherst County. Again, that's heading towards Appomattox County here, we think, pretty soon. Probably the second worst cell is the one in southern Allegheny County. Lots of thunder and lightning with that. And then probably the third worst cell right now is out across portions of Wythe County. That cell is producing a few lightning strikes as well. Again, all this moving to the east-southeast at about 20 to 30 miles per hour, and we're going to continue to have this chance for these isolated showers and thunderstorms through about 8, 9, 10 o'clock. So I think we have about 1 to 3 more hours worth of these pop-up thunder showers. Again, coverage area not especially large, but anything that forms will pack a punch because there's so much heat and humidity outside. And we're also got a couple of fronts in close proximity to us as well. All right, so we've talked about what's going on here locally right now. What about this evening, the rest of this evening and tonight? Well, again, we are looking at a lot of these showers and thunderstorms going by the wayside, I would say, between maybe 8:30 and 10:30. And then by midnight, I think we're dry. I think by midnight, we're going to potentially have a little bit of fog forming. And fog, I think, will be an issue for some of us here as we go beyond midnight tonight, even into early tomorrow. Otherwise, Monday looks to be a quieter weather day. Monday, especially in the morning, we're going to see quite a bit of sunshine once that fog burns away. And then as we continue into time, you'll notice that the clouds will start to bubble up going from lunchtime on Monday. And by the time 3, 4, 5 o'clock rolls around on Monday, we will have the chance for just a couple of showers and or thunderstorms. Better chances for more rain and thunderstorms will come into play for us here come tomorrow night. Okay, so Monday's pretty quiet. Monday night, scattered showers and thunderstorms come back into play for us. May have a few more lingering showers on Tuesday, but I'm thinking the general trend on Tuesday will be for morning clouds to break for increasing sunshine by the afternoon. So on Monday and on Tuesday during the daylight hours, a couple of showers or thunderstorms here or there, but it's Monday night where we're going to have a better chance for some rain and thunderstorms. Here at 7:06, it's still very, very warm outside. Pretty humid too. We'll talk about the humidity in a second. It's 84 in Roanoke, 84 in Danville, also into South Boston. It's 82 in Lynchburg, 80 in Blacksburg, 70 in Wytheville. It's cooler where it has rained. It's much warmer where you've seen more sunshine. Now, tomorrow is going to be another warm one, no doubt about it. We're looking at highs across the Roanoke Valley, about 86, 83 in Blacksburg and in the NRV. Lynchburg zone 87, Danville south side about 88. So temperatures tomorrow about 2 to 6 degrees above average for this time of year. And the muggies are around too. Yeah, it's humid outside. We've got dew points for the most part in the 60s. A couple of areas are in the 50s, upper 50s, but most of us are in the 60s approaching 70. Okay, so the dew points, when they get between 65 and 70, that air is very, very humid and very, very sticky. And the humidity isn't going anywhere, okay? The muggy meter shows that we're going to stay on the humid side on Monday, maybe a little less humid on Tuesday, and then the humidity starts to go back up very late Wednesday into Thursday once again. So the humidity is going to be sticking around. The heat's going to be sticking around. This is a very typical June forecast for us here for the next 7 days, including, yes, even some days in the 90s. For tonight, 65 is your low. Any showers and thunderstorms that are around will end. Give it about another 90 to 180 minutes. And then we're looking at fog developing later tonight. It's going to be mild out there, no doubt. All right, here we go. For tomorrow, your high is about 86, so very warm, humid. More sunshine than cloud cover most of the day, with more sun early, more clouds later. Going to have a couple of thunder showers developing after 2, 3, 4 o'clock tomorrow, but again, most of us are dry tomorrow. It's tomorrow night where those rain chances start to fill back in. Those rain chances then taper off on Tuesday. Wednesday, Thursday, even most of Friday look pretty dry. Wednesday, Thursday were just mainly sunny. On Friday, clouds will thicken. May have a few late day thunder showers on Friday, but next weekend could be on the rowdy side again as far as the weather is concerned. May have more scattered showers and thunderstorms to contend with on Saturday and Sunday. We're talking next weekend. So again, best chances for rain over the next 7 days lies Monday night, and then again next Saturday and Sunday. Okay, so Monday night and next weekend. Notice those highs. Remember, I was telling you 90s are in the forecast this week? Yeah, look at Thursday and Friday. High temperatures between about 90 and 94, and even when we have higher rain chances on Saturday and Sunday with more cloud cover around, we're still looking at highs in the upper 80s. So the heat is on, the humidity is on, and some days are going to be more unsettled than others for the next 7 days. All right, friends, that's a look at your live stream. What we're going to do is we're going to sign off for now. We're keeping an eye on the radar, and if we don't see you again for another live stream, we'll see you again back here for WSLS 10 at 11.